Hello everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Lokpal and Lokayukta. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Kerala Assembly passed the Kerala Lokayukta Amendment Bill 2022, a legislation that limits the powers of the state's anti-corruption watchdog. Now moving on to the key highlights of bill. The bill allows the competent authority to either reject or accept the Ombudsman's report. The bill has also made the Legislative Assembly the competent authority to review an indicting report against the Chief Minister. If a Lokayukta report indicts a cabinet minister, the bill vests the reviewing authority in the Chief Minister. And in the case of legislators, the competent authority will be the House Speaker. Now let's discuss what is Lokpal and Lokayuktas. The Lokpal and Lokayukta Act 2013 provided for the establishment of Lokpal for the Union and Lokayukta for states. They perform the function of an ombudsman and inquire into allegations of corruption against certain public functionaries and for related matters. The Lokpal has jurisdiction to inquire into allegations of corruption against anyone who is or has been Prime Minister, Minister in the Union Government, Member of Parliament, officials of the Union Government under Groups A, B, C and D. Now let's understand how does Lokayukta work in the states. Section 63 of the Lokpal and Lokayukta Act 2013 states, every state shall establish a body to be known as the Lokayukta for the state. The Lokayukta's powers vary from state to state on various aspects, such as tenure and need of sanction to prosecute officials. Following the Act and the intervention of the Supreme Court, most states have now set up a Lokayukta. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Lokpal and Lokayuktas. 1. The Lokpal and Lokayukta Act 2013 provides for establishing a Lokpal headed by a chairperson. 2. They perform the function of an ombudsman and inquire into allegations of corruption. Which of the above mentioned statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.